what's up, broskies? Alright guys, so I forgot my camera, my bad for that. Sorry about the shitty quality. I'm gonna be using my phone today. We're gonna head out to Fontana. We're gonna go to Baby's shop, his work. We're gonna trade exhaust. Remember that fucked up 370Z I used to have? Well, I'm gonna trade his stock exhaust for this fucking loud ass exhaust. So we're gonna take a trip to San Bernardino and then we'll switch out the exhaust over there. Fucking loud. Too loud, huh? Fucking red matching it. Automatically, fool. Cheater. Órale, güey. Behind us. You were shitting it, huh? Fuck, I was shitting it too. We have no registration, no fucking insurance in this car, and we out here. We out here sending it. Alright, broski, so we made it out to Baby's shop. Here's the yonke. And here's the other one. We have it in jack stands already. We're gonna pull some sketchy shit, but we're gonna get the exhaust.
You're gonna pull some sketchy shit.
JP's gonna pull some sketchy shit, but we're gonna pull it out. Ya quítalo, güey.
Quítalo tú, güey.
Chasculero, güey, quítalo.
Ya, güey, pues dice que está robado, güey.
Check it out, broskies. Got that shit out.
I mean, I got it out. Put it back how it was, güey.
Hey, güey, tráete las cheves, güey, no te das, güey.
Tomate, aquí ya está, güey. Tómatela, aquí está, güey.
You know? You have homies, but they don't fucking help you.
Fucking YouTubers, huh?
They're gonna.
Yeah. Him and the stank.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Unsubscribe right now, wait. Check it out, broskies. Check out this mamada. I think it's like a two or maybe like a 3-inch fucking straight pipe. No mames. Look at the other one. Hell yeah. Stock boys. Eh? Only in my channel. Instead of fucking upgrading your exhaust, we're gonna go back to stock. We different.
Oh yeah, what about it?
We good, fool?
Yeah.
Sorry.
What's the name? For what?
You got stock exhaust, boys.
Yeah,
Just drop it and then see what's up.
Hey, I'm not really sure. I don't think so. But I'll send you it.
Start her up, fool.
You do donut, fool?
You can't do a donut, fool.
Yeah, I can, fool. You
He's-
can make donuts and I can do donuts.
Where? At the donut shop? Damn! Rev it, fool? What's up? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, much better way. Hey wait, how much are you gonna give me on top way?
How much are you gonna pay me?
Hey wait, I gotta go way. I got a dentist appointment way. Holy shit. Hey, JP, let's go or what?
Go for bye.
You gotta go, no? I heard you gotta go. Hey, wait. Thanks, wait. Hey, wait. I'll let you borrow my tools, güey. No hay pedo, ya sabes, güey. No hay pedo. Hey, güey. Sobraron tornillos, güey. A ver cómo jala esta madre. Let's see. Let's check it out. ¡Ay, güey! Damn! Hey, güey, no quema, güey, esta madre. No quema, güey. A ver, rev it up. Verga, no mames, parece que traes motor de diablo, güey. Hell yeah. Let's roll, boys. I'm already pedo. I'm gonna let fucking JP drive. Oh, how beautiful.
Oh, it needs AC.
Oh yeah, broskies, this shit, the AC doesn't work. It needs a recharge.
Someone give Philly their AutoZone rewards card so he can get it.
Somebody hook me up. Somebody sponsor me. We need AC.
Please.
It's just fucking hot, bro. That shit was a mad mission, huh?
Oh, shit, it's not even for my car. Fuck.
Sounds so much better, huh?
Donuts?
Nah. Don't disrespect the homie's job.
Yeah, that's true.
So much better, fool.
Yeah, it is.
Huh?
Yeah.
See or no?
See.